So this tutorial is going to show you how you can upload photos to your image rotator. All right. Now the first thing that you want to do is you want to take a look at the photos that you have. And in here I have Trussler photos, all right, and I have 5 photos. Notice the size of them. They're 1.7 megabytes, all right, and that's way too big for any website. You want to be able to reduce those. The other trick that you have to worry about is you have to get them to be the right size so that they'll actually fit on here, all right? And you don't want to do it by just sort of squeezing them because then everything gets out of proportion. So there's a really good program that I use. You can use Photoshop, but I happen to like using Fireworks. It's just personal preference. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to open up a new document. And the canvas size has to be 871 pixels by 248. All right, and resolution, I'm just leaving that alone for now. My canvas color is going to be transparent. I'm going to go to OK. So this is going to be the size of your finished product. Now, when I go to bring that picture in, it is gigantic and my workspace is not going to be very good. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring my workspace down to, I'm going to go to 12%. And it's very tiny right now, but you'll see why I have to do that. I can bring it back up very quickly. So I'm going to go to File and then go to Import. And I'm in the Trussler Photos right there, and I'm going to go to Hallow. Notice that the cursor now turns into this little sort of T-square. All right, so I'm going to put it right up here, and look how big this picture is. All right, if I were to go back to 100%, all right, this is the only thing showing. So look, this is gigantic. So this is not going to be very good. That's okay, because it's easy to work with and easy to fix. So I'm bringing it back down to 12%. Okay, now the best tool to use is your scale tool. And this is really nice because it doesn't change the proportions of things. So you don't look like you're all stretched or all wonky. So what I like to do is I like to simply take it by one of the diagonals and bring it down, make it a bit smaller. So that's a pretty good size. All right, I'm going to bring it up to, let's go to 50%. So now we have a pretty good workable space. If I go back to using my select tool, say, well, it's still, it's kind of, this is not good. We might want that, but there's quite a bit missing right now. So I'm going to go back to using that scale tool, and I'm going to bring it down a little bit more. Oh, all right, so maybe that might be too much. Okay, so, this is pretty cute. All right, but still, I would like to get that little face in there for sure. Just so cute. So again, it's a little bit of fiddling. All right, so let's try that. Okay, and that's not bad. Oh, okay, I think I have all the kids in there. Excellent. Okay, so now you have all this space around here, and this is actually part of the picture, but that's the way it is. We're not going to get everything in there. So you have to go up to the Modify menu, go to Canvas, and then go to Trim Canvas. Okay, so now the little blue bars going around there are showing, yep, that's the size of the picture. And I'm just going to bring it back up to 100%, look for our details. Okay, so that's great so far. What I'm going to have to do next is I want to export that out, and I want to export it so that it is really, really small, all right, in pixels, etc. So if I go to export, I could do that, but probably the export wizard is the best thing to use. Okay, so I'm just going to go to continue, and this graphic is going from Fireworks to the web. Go to continue again. And it's saying we recommend a GIF or a JPEG, all right, both of which are displayed. The first image is smaller, okay? All right, so great. I'm going to hit that, and here it is. So this one is a JPEG, okay? And this one is pretty small, so that's great. I think I will use that. Okay, and all I'm going to do now is go to export. And I'm going to call this Trussler one. And, oh, already exists. Okay, continue and replace it. Absolutely. Okay, so that's perfect. So now I'm going to go down to my folder, my Trussler folders, and let's have a look at that. Okay, so we have gone from 1.6 megabytes down to 45 kilobytes, and that is huge. All right, so that's wonderful. That's what we want. Now, here I am. I'm on the website, and I'm already logged in and everything because you can see I have hide ribbon, but I want to show ribbon. That's good. So go to Site Actions, View All Site Content, and you have to put it in the Rotator Images library. So here we go. All right. So I have 3 pictures in here already, and I'm going to go to Upload. I'm going to choose the file and have to find my Trussler photos. And what did I call it? Trussler 1 JPEG. Right. Okay. Go to OK. Beautiful. Okay. I'm going to put a title in. Okay. Beautiful. And go to Save. All right. So now we have 4 pictures in here. Notice way over here on the approval status. We have approved for that one, that one. The one I just uploaded is pending. And we can approve this very easily. The reason that this is done is in case you have somebody else who is uploading photos and you want to do the final approval. So I'm going to click on Trussler 1. Okay, and now I'm looking for, approve and reject. Okay, I'm going to approve it and go to OK. Okay, now go to Home, and we have all 4 of those approved. And we have our first, and our second, and our third picture, and we have our 4th picture. Beautiful. Okay, looks like I've uploaded the same one twice. So I think what I'm going to do is do all site content, and I'm going to get rid of picture number 3 because that one I did earlier. Okay, so this is the one I would like to get rid of. That's really simple too. Go to delete image. Okay, it is gone. So that's how you upload pictures and create them.